Ethical dilemmas in leadership. Ethical dilemmas in leadership are like shadows that stretch out into the night, leaving the leader trapped in internal conflict. The struggle to make decisions that align with ethical values can cause sleepless nights and worry. In the solitude of the night, the leader reflects on the difficult decisions that must be made, wondering if they can remain true to their principles while navigating the ethical complexities of leadership. The night revives memories of past decisions where the lines between right and wrong became blurred. The leader mentally revisits these moments, seeking clarity and comfort in the integrity of their actions. Although ethical dilemmas may seem like a solitary burden, they are a common challenge in leadership. In their sleepless nights, each leader becomes John Doe, facing the same doubts and ethical concerns. Let the moral compass, which always points to the true north of your values, guide your decisions, helping you navigate ethical dilemmas with confidence and ensuring that your actions align with your deepest principles.